how to draw on a photo with a pen, highlighter, or Mosaic or pattern pen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, in the gallery, open up a picture that you want to draw. Then tap on the edit button at the bottom. Next, tap on the sticker or the drawing icon. So here is the decorations button, so tap on it. In here, you can select a basic pen, or you can select a highlighter. And here is a Mosaic or pattern pen. And the last item is the eraser. So let's go with the basic pen first. So if you tap on the basic pen, it will select that and will open up this box here. In here, there are different type of pens that you could use. You've got a straight pen, we've got a freeform pen, and then you got the straight line basic pen. Then you got here calligraphy pen, and last one is the auto doodle. Down here is the width of the pen, so you can change the width of your pen. And here is the transparency strength, so you can adjust the transparency for your drawing. And down here are the color selector. And here we can swipe across for more colors. You can also tap on this button here to select your own colors from the swatches or the spectrum. Then tap on done. So select a color that you would like to use. And then tap on the close button, and from here you can start drawing. Here is the highlighter, so the highlighter pen is down here. You can select on that. And here there are different highlighters type that you could use. Straight line highlighter, glow pen, straight line glow pen. And then you can tap on that. You can tap on the back key here to reverse your action or undo. And here if I tap on it again, highlighter, and choose a normal highlighter, and then close that. So that is the highlighter right there. Okay, I can also increase the strength, and you can also increase or decrease the width of your highlighter as well. And there it is. And here is the Mosaic or pattern pen. So tap on that, you can choose different patterns. You can choose different size, and here different pattern and different shapes. So select the one that you want to use, and then you can just draw it in your pictures like that. Once you are happy, you can tap on the save button at the top, then tap on save as a copy or save over your original copy. And that's it. So that is how you can use a pen and highlighter to draw on your photos. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.